Amazon rainforest. Tropical rainforests are located around the world in Central and South America, parts of Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are usually found closer to equator. The average daily temperature is usually 86 to 95 degrees. Today we explored the South American rainforest in Amazon basin. It is the largest among rainforests. It is about 2.5 million square miles. You all heard about world's longest river, the Amazon River. It's about 4,000 miles long. Here you can find more than 1,600 species of birds, 230 kinds of snakes, 600 different mammals, 40 different turtles, 70,000 of insects. Harpy eagle. The lifespan is about 25 to 30 years. Conures. This belongs to parrot species. There are around 100 different species and subspecies of conures. The red-winged parrot is typically about 30 to 33 centimeters, 12 to 13 in length. Spider monkeys. This will mostly appear in trees and expert climbers. Spider monkeys are named that way because they hang from the trees by holding different branches with their limbs and long tails, shaped like spiders. The blue morpho butterfly. The blue morpho is among the largest butterflies in the world. You might see the slow moment sloth, who hangs upside down all day even in sleep also. Emerald tree boa. This is also an expert climber. Brilliant hyacinth macaws. The largest among the parrot species. Toucanet are renowned for their large colorful bills. They have the world's longest bill of any birds. The world's smallest bird, hummingbirds. Hummingbirds feed on nectar of flowers. Long-tailed sylph. The long-beaked sword-billed hummingbird. And moreover, from millions of years ago, there are people living in this forest. And still there are living there, and moreover they have their own language and their own culture. They use completely nature, and they hunt animals, eat them by using their own weapons.